It is time for Message from the Future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the TV box. I already did a review about the older version because there was a new version out. Yes people, they improved it, the TV box. The first time I noticed it, it was a little bit expensive, so it's getting cheaper. But still, $3.99 is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. And yeah, what did they improve? I cannot tell you, I'm noticing the new screen. The previous model, so far I understood, was a 10-inch screen. It was a really old version. The view angle was not very good. Still, I really love the cute little case. But I really love this new one. So, I'm trying to get one to make a review about. I really love to know what do you think of this. I have read some comments, people really didn't like the case itself. I think it's personal taste. I really like it. It's very, very cute. It's made from, let's say, just a wooden case, so it's not cheap as plastic or something like that. So overall, the casing itself, it's not. I think there were not big improvements of the case itself. I think the biggest change they did is here you can find 8 buttons. In the previous model, only having 3 buttons. We have a bigger screen. The casing itself exactly the same, exactly. So yeah, nevertheless, I really love to test it out. I'm guessing they're going to deliver this one with the Pandora Box 5, so that's also a big bummer. I'm hoping they will sell this with newer versions like Pandora Box 6 or Key 7. To be honest, I think this is a shitload of money because we're getting only Pandora Box 5 and those main boards are pretty damn cheap. So again, this is something I really want to review on the channel and also do a comparison with the older version, the older TV box. If you didn't see the review from the TV box, check it out. It's a really awesome product. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, become one Wicked family. Hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. And if you're into gaming, check out my gaming videos, my gaming channel. See you next time.